So the Renovation ProFile was born from clients purchasing a designed in a day package, but wanting to implement it for renovations. So we created the Renovation ProFile as a streamlined but multi-phase process. The Renovation ProFile is perfect for busy, stressed out homeowners that have this big renovation looming and they don't even know where to start. The first step is an on-site meeting so we can learn about your needs and your wants for this space. During that time, we're gonna measure it so that we have accurate data by which to create the design and technical drawings. And we're gonna go back to the studio and work our magic. And when it's all done, you're gonna have an amazingly in-depth document that you can pass to your contractor for accurate pricing. You'll have access to the technical drawings, lighting, and a plumbing plan. You're gonna have floor plans, elevations, 3D views. All of this you're going to give to your contractor, and they're gonna be able to get back to you with way more exact budget ranges than if you just said, hey, I wanna redo my kitchen, how much does that cost? But we also give you recommendations based on your project scope of our trusted contractors and other trades and service providers. Our whole action plan that you get access to with your design is just chock full of resources that are going to take this project from, here to here. You're going to be able to execute at the highest level and feel confident every step of the way. What's great about the Renovation ProFile is that it frees up your time. So you can go about doing the things you're good at, and we can do the things that we're good at.